So viewers, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can remove multiple wallets from your Bitcoin Core wallet. Yes, if you want to save your amount from scammer or hacker, so you don't need to create a multiple accounts. And if you get this information, so please watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel. That name is Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, let's start. Today we are going to remove our multiple wallets which is I have created in my last video. Sometime you need to remove. So you can see here, I'm going to click on my Bitcoin Core wallet icon. And after that, you can see here loading blockchain index. This time I'm using version 28.1.0 Bitcoin Core wallet. After loading all wallets necessary information, then you can see here the main interface will be open front of me. And this time I have almost 6 year blockchain data downloaded in my laptop, but still 11 years and 28 weeks behind. So going to hide this error, and you can see here Bitcoin Core wallet is open front of me. If I'm going to click on a receive option where we have create a multiple wallets, you can see here I have create a multiple wallets, almost 8 to 10 wallets. So before going to remove, you must take the backup of your this wallet. Sometime you need to use this wallet. So you must have your backup file. I already gave you information how to recover your Bitcoin Core wallet with your backup file. If you have not watched that video, so simple go to my YouTube channel and click on video portion, and then you will see here that video will be shown front of you. Okay, you can see here how to take the backup of your Bitcoin Core wallet. So now back to our video. You can see here my main wallet is open front of me. Sometime you can see here right top corner shown here wallet. If you have created multiple wallets, let's suppose I have created two wallet here. If I'm going to click on Bitcoin Core wallet, so you can see I have only this wallet, two wallet created. But if I click on first wallet, which is name is Bitcoin, so there is I have created multiple wallets. So if I need to remove these wallet from my this Bitcoin Core wallet, so what will I do? Simple is that you just simple click on wallet, and after that you can see here two buttons shown here, show and remove. Before going to remove this wallet, you must click on it. So you can see here all information available here. This is your wallet address and also QR code, and you must save your wallet address if you want to need and if you want to use again. But today I just remove, so simple click on it and click the remove button. When I click on remove button, you can see here one wallet removed from my this Bitcoin Core wallet. Again click on remove. Now again click on remove. You can remove your wallet one by one. But again, please keep in your mind when you are going to create multiple wallets and when you want to remove multiple wallets, you must have your backup file, or you must have your backup dat file. If you want to backup your dat file, simple click on file button. And after that, you can see here the option is available here, backup wallet. Simple click on it and save backup file to your laptop. I have already gave you information about this, but today we are going to just removing wallet addresses from my Bitcoin Core wallet. So I am going to also remaining my Bitcoin Core wallet, remove remaining Bitcoin Core wallet. Only one wallet is available here in my Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to also click my second Bitcoin wallet. You can see here, which is I already told you. Simple as that. Click on it, and then you can see here in this wallet I have only two wallet addresses. I just need to remove my newly created wallet. So which is one you can see here. The last one is this is my old wallet, which is I have created 4/14/2026, and I have created newly wallet which is today date 4/22/2026. Okay, so I need to remove this wallet. So what will I do? I use same scenario, just highlighted this wallet address, and after that I just simple click on remove button. Now you can see here I have removed all multiple wallet addresses from my Bitcoin Core wallet. So you must save your wallet, and before going to remove your wallet, you must have your backup file. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel, like my this video, and if you face regarding any problem from this video, so you can just simple comment below this video. And before going to stop, you just simple go to my YouTube channel, and you can see here I have upload many videos about other wallets. If I'm going to click on playlist option, so you can see here there is multiple wallets available here. The big name is available here: Bitcoin Core Wallet, Uri Wallet, or Brave Wallet, Core Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Token Pocket, SafePal, Jax Wallet, Exodus Wallet. I have already reviewed Bitcoin Core Wallet, but almost 3 to 4 years ago. So this series is newly series of 2026, and also you can see a Light Wallet, Litecoin Wallet, and also big wallet name is available here like a MetaMask or Exodus Wallet. In coming videos, I will also make the videos about Bitcoin Core Wallet, Litecoin Core Wallet, or many big wallet is available, and also I will give the more information about MetaMask wallet. How can you use MetaMask wallet in 2026? Okay, so must watch my incoming video. I will give you more information about more cryptocurrency wallets. If you have any wallet which is you are going to use and you want to get the proper information, you just message to me, or you just mail to me my email address cryptowallets@gmail.com. I will read your mail, and I hope I will make the videos about your using wallet. Okay, so we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.